If you're a man over 30, this might be the most important 4 minutes of your life. Forget everything they taught you in school about sexual health, because there's a breakthrough product called Eroxon that's rewriting the rules. In this video, I'll break it all down. No fluff, no filters, just facts. So if you're tired of pills, side effects, and silence, this is the sex ed they never gave you. Let's start simple. Eroxon is a fast-acting, drug-free gel designed to help men with erectile dysfunction, but unlike traditional pills, it works topically and absorbs through the skin. No swallowing, no waiting 60 minutes, no risky ingredients. It's literally FDA cleared and clinically proven to work in just 10 minutes, which makes it perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a fast, safe alternative. Still wondering, does it actually work? Keep watching. Here's the wild part. Despite being backed by science, you'll never hear about Eroxon in school, or even from most doctors. Why? Because most sexual education systems are outdated, awkward, and completely miss the emotional reality of being a man today. We were taught biology, not confidence, intimacy, or real-world solutions. And that's why Eroxon matters. It's part of a new wave of men's health tools that actually care about your experience, not just your anatomy. Okay, here's the breakdown. Eroxon comes in small gel applicators. You apply it directly to the skin, and within 10 minutes, blood flow is stimulated naturally without chemicals. It uses something called thermo-control technology, basically a fancy term for temperature-triggered stimulation. You feel the effects quickly, and the results are real. Even better, no headaches, no blood pressure spikes, no awkward timing issues. It's like upgrading your bedroom performance without putting your body at risk. So who's this really for? Men over 30 who feel like things aren't as reliable as they used to be, guys who've tried pills but hate the side effects, or even beginners who just want a little more confidence without commitment. But it's not for everyone. If you have serious medical conditions or are looking for a long-term cure, talk to your doctor. This is a solution, not a magic wand, but it works. You're not broken, you're not alone, and thanks to products like Eroxon, you finally have a choice that's safe, fast, and honest. So maybe it's time we upgrade sex ed. Because this isn't just about performance, it's about control, confidence, and clarity. If that's something you want, hit that subscribe button and stick with us for more smart, honest talk on men's health.